Hundreds of Ugandans from both the government and other development partners have attended the National Culture Heritage Conference under the theme of culture as a tool for empowering communities and future generations. Jacqueline Nyirakiza SJ, the acting commissioner Museums and Monuments, explained the purpose of holding the conference, citing the need to create awareness of the significance of conservation.
We are working with the Africa World Heritage Fund, with the UNESCO World Heritage Center, to revive or revitalize the conservation of cultural heritage. So this conference that we are having today is geared towards conservation, is geared towards creating awareness, and also showing the world that cultural heritage is a tool of economic empowerment.
Nyirakiza indicated the steps being taken by the government to promote culture, especially among the younger generation.
We are working together with the Ministry of Gender. We are working with schools to have heritage clubs. So these clubs have been put in place for the purposes of, understanding culture and having, this kind of norms, beliefs, because in tangible heritage we are talking about languages, norms, beliefs, traditions, and having them incorporated within their, as they grow. So that's why there are heritage clubs in different parts of the country.
According to Nyirakiza, the conference was a precursor to the commemoration of the International Museums Day, which will take place in Kabale municipality on Sunday 18th May, with President Museveni expected to be the chief guest. She urged the general public to turn up in big numbers.
As part of commemorating Africa World Heritage, we said that this is one of the lineup activities for commemorating International Museums Day, of which activity the Ministry of Tourism began in 2012. And so I want to use this opportunity to invite the public. The President of Uganda, His Excellency Yoweri Museveni Kaguta, will be our chief guest.
Canon Justice James Ogola, the Deputy Provincial Chancellor of the Church of Uganda, delivered the keynote address. Exploring the theme of culture as a tool for empowering communities and future generations, Ogola underscores the need to preserve culture, especially among the young generations.
What language will now govern the family? Whose language? What do you tell the children? Which one do you teach them? Both. But dad is away at work 26 hours a day. Mom is at work 20 hours a day. There's a maid that brings in the third language now.
He indicated the resultant effects of over-relying on technology, especially artificial intelligence AI.
The human behind the AI will still have a head on top of his body with a brain in it to do those wonderful mysteries of discovering the nature, the mysteries of nature through mathematics, science, and all of that. And that person will still have the heart in the cavity of his chest to do all these finer things. There will still be love. There will still be joy. There will still be emotions, grief, and so on. Even with the AI, will still have those things.
On the other hand, Alias Vivian, the Commissioner Tourism Development in the Ministry of Tourism, explained about the Pearl of Africa Tourism Promotion, which is slated for 21st to 24th May 2025 at Speak Resort Munyonyi, and indicated the motive behind the poet.
Is a congregation or a marketplace for tourism stakeholders. We have about 100 hosted buyers. Those are people who are into the travel trade, who are coming from all over the world, coming to Uganda, one, to see what products they can sell. So we're going to take them around a familiarization trip.
He explained a few of the events to take place in the Poet Experience.
That we are running this year round is tourism and sustainable transformation. How do we address waste management? How do we address alternative energy sources? These are the themes that are going to run around this particular expo. Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you. Please do come and be part of that experience. And we promise it will be a very fruitful one, a very enjoyable experience.
John Baptista Humza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.